How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Welcome back to our channel. It's Marina and let's get started. So let's move on to the first and foremost step, that is press and hold to your application, and from there go to your app info. From here tap on force stop, then tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Now open your Play Store application because we have to see if there is any update of Snapchat. Now search for Snapchat right here. Then as you can see there is an update, just tap on it and leave it for an update and this might fix it. And here comes the last resort. Open your Google and then search for Snapchat support. Now here you have to tap on submit a request. Then tap on I found a bug. Scroll down and then tap on yes. Select the option of Snapchat is crashing. Now scroll down and tap on when I open the app. On to the next step. Scroll down from here and then tap on yes to still need help. Now you have to fill this form. So first and foremost, enter your username of your Snapchat. Mention your email address and also your mobile number, your device and your device model, and then write a date from when you noticed this issue. Then you have to write a description. You can just copy the same thing that I wrote, or you can even be creative with it. Now once you do that, just tap on the submit or the send button and wait for the Snapchat support to contact you with a solution. Hopefully this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.